You're not supposed to be on your phone during work hours.
I'm not. You're just imagining that there's nothing to see here. Go away. Go away.
Jesus. What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having just a wonderful day. Today, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. That's because we've been busy. But today, something cool we got going down that needed to happen because I was tired of seeing it is the buggy. Buggy is back into the shop because if you remember, we took it to a off-road park in northwest Alabama. Hell, I don't remember. And blew that up. And that smoked so bad that you couldn't breathe. So it was time. So we got the buggy finally pulled in here after 6 months. I don't know. Anyways, we are going to be making, or the goal is to be making Buggy 2.0. We're not putting crazy amounts of money in it because I wouldn't be using this to put crazy amount of money in. I would say probably budget-wise, probably another 10 G's. So we already have roughly about 10 in it. Just because we had to literally get everything for it. But we tried to make it as cheap as possible, So now that we have another 10, we can make some of those things that need to change. We can put a little bit better stuff on there, but we can also make major changes to make this thing perform so much better. And that's the goal. So stick around. It's gonna be awesome. It is no $100,000 rig, but it is definitely a giant pile of shit. It is our pile of shit. We love this thing. We beat the guts out of this thing, and it just kept asking for more until that let go. But we love it. So, few changes that I really want to make to this. And again, guys, comment what you guys want to see on this, what you think I should do to it. The goal on this, it's obviously not a rock bouncer. This was a buggy, tube chassis buggy. But the goal that I personally want to do with this is more or less try to make a wee rock buggy out of it, but not as crazy, not as insane, and damn sure nowhere near the money. That's my hope. That's the goal. So a few changes that we made so far. The cage, we lowered that guy by 8 inches. We're ripping out this heavy ass floor, trying to take all this weight out of it. Plus it was shit anyways. Bubba and his redneck friends, whoever did this. So I've been cutting that out for 3 days. Well, a day. Redoing the whole center console now that we finally have a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Don't know if it works, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. So right there, and then rock and roll. I went through the motor. Motor is wore slap out completely. But I did put all new rod bearings in it because they were shot. All the compression rings or the piston rings were completely collapsed. They were just trash. So put all new rings, all new rod bearings, all new head bolts, got the heads rebuilt, honed it out with the cheapo special. She's ready to go. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to take some more weight off here by just doing some aluminum heads. Haven't figured that out yet, but if I don't do it, she's ready. If I do, then all I got to do is take that off. Some of the just redneck stuff that this thing had. That giant just square tubing across there with that heavy-ass winch, all that went away. This whole... Again, the floor pan situation is just cobbled together. The whole firewall situation was just kind of cobbled together. So just getting rid of all that, undoing all that, not changing it completely 100%, but at least making it way better than it was. The engine mounts were some jerry-rig shit. So getting some better engine mounts. you know, changing out these bead locks, getting bigger tires, a sticky compound, 2 suck down winches, instead of 1 hydro e-brake for both rears, getting individual so I can control them individually, changing our steering position, so instead of the steering wheel being way the fuck up there, now it's going to be straight in line with the driver. You know, small stuff, small changes to make this thing perform much, much, much better. I mean, hell, when we put this thing together the first time, we put it together exactly the way the rednecks who built this thing had it. And none of the suspension was even remotely correct. So, but we just ran it anyways. Now we're going to take the time and fix the suspension, figure out where things go, you know, and have it dialed in way more. So just simple things, and hopefully this thing is going to be so much better. It's going to be so much cooler. It's not going to be braking every 5 seconds. It's actually going to shift and be nice to drive. Well, it's going to be fun. That's the word. But anyways, guys, I wanted to show you that we are messing with the buggy first off, and then we're going to be 2.0. We're going to throw a little bit of extra money into it. A lot of time, effort, blood, sweat, and tears just to see where we can get. Buggies weren't necessarily our thing, but I like the fact that you can do whatever you want. It allows me to be creative and, you know, put my spin or what I think is better or cooler, and it lets me try things instead of doing that to Big Deborah. Big Deborah only has a certain amount of room to play with because it is kind of a daily driver. So with this thing, I can do whatever the hell I want, make it however the hell I want. So it's just fun. And for the most part, let's just say we got, after Buggy 2.0, and we got 20 grand into it, but we got a lot of good parts, things that we don't have to change out, like this, you know, the full hydro or the 1-ton axles, things like that. You know, you can keep that. Let's just say we did a whole new chassis. If we really start getting into this, then we can do that. We're just not going to lose our ass. But yeah, we're going to be doing more buggy stuff. So stay tuned. Questions, comments, anything that you think that I should be looking at, doing, seeing. I mean, we have a whole list of stuff that's going in this thing. Better center of gravity, better suspension setup, just all sorts of stuff. But guys, anyways, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff, and we will see you later.